Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Grange, local and long distance movers near me. Our staff of skilled movers can ensure your long distance move goes smoothly. Whether you're moving a single state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to assist you. Relocating isn't simple, however. Using the right moving services can certainly make things go so much simpler. Selecting us means you get access to all the basic long distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. It's not always easy to justify the cost of an Illinois moving company. A local moving company delivers many advantages, and which can make it well worth the cost. Any respectable moving company is going to help you save time on your local move. Movers can also make sure you don't need to handle any of the heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive experts ready to make your local move incredibly easy. Moving day becomes much simpler with 3 Movers due to the fact that we simplify our whole entire move. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Grange moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.